My name is Jessica J if you guys are new here, and to my returning subscribers, hello, how are you? So today's an exciting day. We are on episode 2 of my home tour series, and we're gonna do my entryway. So I did create kind of 2 entryway moments, so I am gonna show both of them to you. So when decorating, you wanna create a space that reflects your personality and your mood and what you're trying to create in your home. So whatever your style is, whatever you wanna create, just make sure that it makes you happy no matter what anybody else says, that it makes you happy and makes you feel good inside. This is my little entryway right here. Pretty much right when you come through the door, this is what you're going to see. So for the entryway, I wanted a very natural element, but I also wanted something that was bold, yet sleek and classic. So I think I created that with this right here. I will say that it is very interesting, which was what I was going for. I wasn't really sure when I saw it. I kept looking at it. I took several pictures of it until I was like, you know what? This is the piece right here. No one's gonna have this in their home, and I absolutely love it. So the mirror I did get from HOMEGOODS, and this is the Rachel Roy brand. I got this mirror about a year ago, and I still see it today. I don't see it in this size for that brand, but I do still see similar pieces, bigger, smaller, and the same size. So this is definitely a West Elm dupe. And that mirror was like $400. I did go to the outlet to see if maybe they would get one in. Never saw it out the outlet. I still don't see it at the outlet, but HOMEGOODS always has a mirror very similar to this, which is a West Elm dupe. So this is what the cabinets look like. They are hexagon shaped pieces of wood that are glued together, and they are different variations in color, tone. I really love that. When I did get this, the pulls were silver. I did change them to these hexagon shaped brass pulls. And then the top, you guys can see like the different variations in the wood tone. This is very mid-century modern. It does have the tapered legs. So very mid-century modern and kind of rustic looking as well. So this piece right here I got from At Home. I don't see it there anymore. I don't know if they have it online, but if I can find it or something similar, I will link it down below. But this is a brass. I think it's more on the antique brass side, and I love how it has a long neck. It's perfect for this pampas grass. This pampas grass is actually faux. When I was looking for pampas grass, all I could find was very expensive stems when it really just grows on the side of the road. So I picked this up from CB2. I absolutely love the color, and I love how fluffy it looks. I have real pampas grass now, but I just prefer this color. I think it looks amazing up against the sideboard, so I kept it. Next, I want to show you guys my coffee table books. I love decorating with coffee table books. I think that it's a great way to bring your personality in your place. Having books that represent you and what you like, and books that you have interest in and that you want to read, is just an amazing way to bring that touch into your home. And also it's a great way to create heights. But I got the Simplicity book, I believe I got it from Amazon, and then the Homebody book I got from Target, and I still see that book. I actually saw it the other day, 30% off. So if you guys are interested in that book, I will leave it linked down below. And then on top of the books, I have these concrete bowls. Now, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know I made like, I don't even know how many at this point, but I've made a lot of concrete bowls. I've made so many different colors: brown, gray, charcoal, white, off-white. Follow me on Instagram. My name on there is MyJessicaJ. I definitely share a lot of my DIYs, and these are one of the DIY projects that I did. These are 2 bowls that I stuck in here. I really love how the edges are imperfect, and it kind of tones down the modernness of this area. So I just stuck this one, a smaller one that I made inside here. I just kind of love how that looks, that layering look. And then last over here, I have these candlestick holders. I did get these from Crate & Barrel. Candlesticks I did get from HOMEGOODS. So my style is pretty minimal. I don't have a whole lot of decor pieces here, but I absolutely love it. I feel like it's just enough. It looks pretty good. and this is my second entryway that I created. So here is where I film. This is the picture that I created, and thank you guys so much for leaving your sweet comments about this picture. I didn't know how it was gonna turn out. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. I'll start with this bench right here. This bench used to be a wood tone color. I did paint it because I wasn't happy with the legs. Now this bench was supposed to go in my bathroom, but it ended up being a little too long, and I kind of just stuck it here and liked it, so I kept it. But I just wasn't happy about the legs in this space, so I changed it to black. And I'm happy that you can still see that chevron kind of detail on the top. And I really love how it has these wood details on here, so it's kind of like rustic and then smooth, rustic smooth, and a chevron type of layout. So this bench I did get from HOMEGOODS. The picture I also got from HOMEGOODS. So the picture I did paint over and I spackled it, so that's how I got the texture up there. So if you want to create your own wall art, someone had mentioned to go to Salvation Army or a thrift shop. That's an amazing idea. If you can find one from there, pick it up. It's just cheaper to get something that's already framed. I taped it off and I just did my own thing. So this pot right here I got from Walmart, and it was actually a yellow color, and I spackled it, so that's why it kind of looks like concrete a little bit, and I painted it, so that's how I got this. And then these stems, I literally just went in my front yard, picked some stems, stuck it in there, and I actually just bought a Birds of Paradise plant yesterday, so I just need to get a bigger pot, and the Birds of Paradise will go right here, and I'll show you that plant in just a second. The pillow I got from Etsy. This is a really small bench. I know sometimes it's hard to see the scale of things here, but the bench is pretty small, so I wanted a small pillow here just for like a little detailed touch. It is an African mud cloth pillow. So these coffee table books, again, this is a great way to bring in different levels of height and your personality. You will see coffee table books all throughout my home. I absolutely love them, and this is how I get my inspiration as well. I have these concrete bowls. These concrete bowls I made. Surprise, surprise. I love the concrete bowl so much that I decided to put it over here too. Like I said, with the entryway, it's pretty much right when you walk in, and then you don't see it throughout the rest of the house. The rest of the house is very open concept, but the entryway is kind of hidden. And I really wanted to display the bowl somewhere where I can see it and enjoy, so I put it here as well. And this one I did use white concrete, and then I added some buff dye, just a little bit, so I could get a off-white color. And then I added these wooden beads here. I love how there's no color to them, they're just wooden. I got these from Hobby Lobby. My friend in real life, and she has a YouTube channel, her name on here is Naturally Nadia. She had got these, and I was like, girl, where did you get those beads? So I went over to Hobby Lobby, and I think I paid like $8 for them, $8, $10, something like that. So they look absolutely beautiful here. So I just kind of have them draped over the two bowls that I stuck in here and over the books. So that is everything. Here's the Birds of Paradise right here. And there's the painting I'm currently working on. I don't have much of a green thumb, but I'm hopeful that I can keep this one alive. That sounds so bad. My friend Bo here on YouTube, I'm sure you guys know about him. He's amazing, but he gave me some pointers. Thank you so much, Bo. I just need to wipe off her leaves. It's kind of dusty and dirty. And I need to find a pot for her. I don't have a pot yet. So yeah, I did just pick her up yesterday. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help my channel out so much. Subscribe if you guys aren't already subscribed for more videos like these, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.